So once you've created your account, you just need to log in, and at that point you can edit your profile. So we're going to click on login, and I'll just type in my username here. There it is, and the password. Login. You'll see as soon as I log in that a new menu becomes available, My Profile, where I can edit my profile, create an article, or create an event. The first thing I'm going to do is complete my profile. So we'll see here we have my name and username, or email address, my password. I can change my password if I like, and I'm just going to put some sample text here. And you can put anything you want to add images, that kind of thing, which we're going to cover in another video as well, when we add an article and a venue, how to add images and liven the article up a little. And I can even put my website address there as well, which I'm just going to put the website's web address. Now, there's a reason for this as well, because once a user logs in and creates articles and calendar items, that username can be used by the people visiting the website to click on it and then view the other items that that person has produced. So I'm just going to click save. There we go. And maybe we'll have an image as well. So I have an image available here. I'm just going to right click on that image and select copy image address. There we go. And click save. Bingo. So that's already saved. Now I'm ready to start creating articles and events, and I'm going to cover that in the next videos.